Okay, that's not a bird!
It's a bird.
It's an owl!
It's a bird. Okay, so are you recording?
Oh my god, there's a fucking bird in my house, dude.
Okay.
I freaking opened the back door, and there's a bird on my cabinet.
Give me a fucking pan.
Because it scared the shit out of me. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's hiding! It's running! It's flying! Now it's on the thing. On the what the hell?
No, outside.
Get that fucking bird! Hit it!
What the fuck?
Hit it! Babe, there's a fucking bird in my home!
Hey, fine, you don't gotta be fucking loud.
And it's not a bird though, babe. It looks like something different.
It's a fucking vampire or some shit.
You know, it's scary because there's freaking gargoyles out in this fucking desert, dude. I swear to God, there's gargoyles.
Not a good idea because you're down in spot.
Is that what, babe?
Drinking is not a good idea because you're down.
I'm not even drinking, honey. I'm not. I didn't even finish my beer, dude. I swear I didn't.
That's not gonna keep him in there, huh?
No. I want that fucking bird out of my home, dude.
Motherfucker.
It's
Oh
a.
my god.
Why is it only in here? Get out of my house, bitch. It knocked on my window with its beak.
I know, and then I opened the door like asking to come in.
Why though? Oh shit.
Oh my god. Fucking little bitch.
Why?